Right, here I am, bowl in front of me, and we're gonna make a cake. Give me that flour now, and squeeze the flour. Lovely. Put my hand in. Oh, that feels a bit odd. Mummy, coming back? Coming back? Help? Coming back? Yeah? Cool. And, yeah, weird. Weird texture, Mummy. I'm not sure about this. But yeah, we'll go with it. A bit on my hand there. Mummy, is that okay? Oh, there's a jug. Give me that jug and pour in whatever that is. Put my hand back in and lovely. Oh, I'm gonna eat that. I am going to eat that. Oh, Mummy? Mummy can eat it. Can eat it. Mummy? Mummy? Oh, who are you? Who are you? Get what? Mummy? Mummy? She's trying to nick the bowl. Mummy? Yeah, you get out the. Oh, egg. Egg. Let me have a look at that egg. Crack. Yeah, crack. Yes. Egg. What now? Oh, another egg. Okay. What are we doing with this one then? Same thing? Oh, ooh. Let me squeeze the. Oh, another one. Okay. Yeah, crap. Oh, okay. Can I put my hand back in there? Can I? Can I? Give me the egg. Get it, sir. It's mine. Any more eggs? Oh, oh, out of nowhere, another egg. Oh, whoa! I wasn't ready for that, Mummy. Whew. Yep, okay, I'm back in, and what is next? Let me, I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it, Mummy. My hand, I don't like it, I don't like it. Mummy, my hand. Oh, I've gone. Where am I? Hello, I'm back. Just got a bit of an itch, and I'm nice and clean. Oh, Mummy, that looks a little bit scary. Ah! What is that, Mummy? Ugh, I do not like this. Mummy? Mummy? Whoa, Mummy, my hair. God, I'm gonna lose my hair if you keep doing that. Oh, right, you done? Done? Done, Mummy? Done? Okay, still going, still going. Yes, done, done, done. You done? Yeah, turn that little bit. I think it's done, Mummy. Think it's done. Think it's done. It's done. Ooh, look at that big bowl of. Give me that bowl. Chocolate. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. My favorite thing in the world. Chocolate. Done? I think it's done. Yeah. Next. Can I eat it now? Can I eat the chocolate? Chocolate? Smell that. Just had a quick change of clothes there, and I'm back. Give me that. I'm going to put that on top of there, and whoa, look at that. Colours, lots of colours. Mummy, don't put your hand on the cake. Mummy, off, off. Give me that. I want more. More on it. Yeah. Oh, was that too much, Mummy? You sort it out. Yeah. Yeah, look at the colours. Whoa. Can I eat it now? Or can I eat it? Maybe? Or maybe more? Should we put some more on, Mummy? Bit more. Yeah. Oh, maybe not more. We're just looking at the cake. Okay.